Monster fairings. Not all fairings are created equal. Customization is a staple of motorcycle ownership, and when it comes to sprucing up the looks of modern sport bikes, there's no better way to get dramatic and eye-catching results than to turn to aftermarket fairings. Then again, maybe you've had the unfortunate fate of crashing your sport bike and damaging the stock bodywork. Aftermarket fairings are a great way to replace your damaged bodywork at a fraction of the cost of new, while also injecting some personalization at the same time. Whatever your reason, you should look to Monster fairings for your aftermarket bodywork needs. Aftermarket fairings, like sport bike riders, come in many different shapes and sizes, but often the thinking goes, if you want high quality stuff it's going to come at a premium price. Monster fairings is out to change that perception. Founded in 2013 and based in London, England, Monster Fairings specializes in custom aftermarket motorcycle fairings that are guaranteed to fit and not break the bank. How do they do it? By manufacturing in China. That's right, we're going to put the elephant in the room out there in the open. Why? Because not all Chinese products are equal, and we're here to break the stigma that all Chinese-made products are bad. Look. We know breaking the stigma is going to be hard. Like you, we've personally seen a lot of the garbage floating around on places like eBay. These other companies have flashy graphics and take nice photos to promote their products, but underneath the facade the fairings themselves are cheap, flimsy, compression-molded plastic pieces with even cheaper mounting tabs held in place by a giant blob of glue. To make it worse, half the time, probably more, those tabs don't line up with the mounting points on the bike anyway. Then you're left trying to modify the bodywork with files, drills, zip ties, and who knows what else in an attempt to fix a problem somebody else created. In the end, the fairings don't end up fitting quite right and you're left feeling pissed off because you just got bamboozled. Here's the Monster fairing difference. First off, every one of their fairing kits is made to order, and they have kits for many of the popular Japanese sport bikes, as well as kits for Aprilia, BMW, Ducati, and Triumph. Unlike some of their competitors who use compression molding to cut costs, they make fairings using ABS injection molding, the same process used by the OEMs. The end result is a nice and sturdy piece that's as good as the original. The mounting tabs themselves are included as part of the injection molding process and are placed in the exact same spot as the factory bodywork to ensure precise and accurate fitment. In fact, they're so sure the bodywork will fit right the first time and you will be satisfied, they guarantee it. But let's get back to customization for a minute. Having a set of fairings that line up right is great, but what about looks? Again, Monster Fairings' goal is to change perceptions. Their fairings kits come in all kinds of graphic designs from mild to wild, including OEM replica graphics. But here's the best part, you can customize an existing design or submit a design of your own. Their design team will work with you to finalize the artwork and will even send you pictures to sign off on, ensuring the job will be done right the first time. Monster's painting process is second to none and involves 7 stages. First comes the undercoat, followed by the base colors. Once the base colors are set, the main colors are applied next, which is then followed by additional detailed work. Once the colors are all on, the clear coat process starts. At least 3 layers of clear coat are used, followed by an extra coat of UV protective clear. This ensures the colors stay strong and vibrant, and protects against the sun's harmful UV rays.